Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Iman, and for today I will be preparing a breakfast dish. It's very easy, quick and simple. The dish that I will be preparing for today is a breakfast samosa. For the ingredients, the first one I'll be using a wrap. Usually it was supposed to be tortilla wrap, but I couldn't find any of it, so I will just use this. And secondly, I'll be using, for the spread, I'll be using Nutella spread. Then the third ingredient will be honey. I'll be using pure honey. And then the last one is banana. We'll be using probably just one banana. Okay, for the first step, firstly we need to take one wrap, tortilla wrap, so, and then you need to cut and divide it into two halves and cut it. You already cut it into two halves, and then we will take this Nutella spread and we're just going to spread a small amount, not much. Just spread it evenly. Okay, this is enough. Okay, done. We have already spread the Nutella onto the tortilla. After that, you need to slice this banana into small thin pieces. After that, we arrange the banana onto the tortilla. Not just half. It will only cover half of the tortilla. Then we can drizzle just a little bit of honey onto the tortilla. Okay, just small, just a little bit of honey. I've put all of the ingredients together, and then we just have to fold it. After we're done wrapping the tortilla, the samosa, we'll be going to cook them onto a hot pan. Then we can put our samosa, cook our samosa onto the hot pan. We are done cooking the samosa, and then this is the result. It looks nice, and yeah, that's all from me. I will be finishing this dish and see you guys soon.